Oh, what's going on, party people? Harm's Way Chad here, your local neighborhood spider Chad. Opening up some books. This one, I believe, is from Natedawg5. Natedawg, nope. Natedawg5. Natedawg5. What you got for me? Yep. Good packaging. Nice and safe. Cat's fighting over here in the background. All right. Oh, painter's tape. All right. Nice, nice. Not gonna harm the book. All right, we have the we're gonna wrap it around. Okay. The wrap around the Gemini cover here, which you don't really need to do, but thank you for the safety. Okay, if there's anything I'll tell you is make the little tabs, little pull tabs, if you can. Hey guys, chill the hell out. Oh my God, the cats are going wild. Oh, Boots is going insane. All right. Uno más, uno más, uno más. What do we got? All right. All right. I'll tell you what. You don't really need to tape the book into the two pieces of cardboard here. You don't need to do it. Just tape the cardboard together and you'll be just fine. But this is the Amazing Spider-Man number 85, Peach Momoko. If you don't know what this cover is homaging or homaging, depending. For right now, my standpoint is, if you can't own the did it split? No, okay, we're good. If you can't own the original, own the homage. That's it right there. And then I don't know if you know who this guy is. I don't know, some dude. I like this. I like these packages. God, that slipped right off. I'm gonna find out how he got these ones. And this is perfect. Perfect cover. Just one piece of tape. That's all you need. Look, even then, you get inside. Thank you so much. Perfectly handwritten letter, and it's like, hey, just some tape to hold it in place. You don't need anything else than that. Now, what's even better about this is I do believe that this is... Oh, no, it's not. Okay. I thought this was actually... Okay. It is not, but still. Oh. All right, let's go ahead and just... shoop. There we go. Very gently. Be very gentle. Be very gentle. Okay, sometimes painter's tape and the stuff isn't mixed. Okay, I'm just dropping everything. Okay. Just put that down there. Is this just like super hyper? Yep, it is. Okay. Just make sure. Okay, this is the Snake Eyes. Number 16. Signed by Robert Atkins, right there. If you can't see it, it's right there. This little smudge right there. And then, the My Little Pony Friendship is Magic incentive, number 75. This is double signed. Annie Price and Katie Cook. See little smudges right there and smudges right there. Shh, don't tell my partner, but I am actually gifting this to her. I think it's super dope because it actually has like constellations in the background. So that's it. 3 books. I don't think I need to pick a popular cover. I'm just happy with what I got. You know, from AKA Mr. Bolo. You know who you are. And then also Natedawg5. Thank you so much for the books. Super stoked for the IDW, the Atkins signed. That's going to be awesome. I'm super stoked for the homage Peach Momoko variant right here. And this is a gift, so shh, don't tell them. With that being said, I'm Harm's Way Chad. I'm going to bed, but thank you so much. Look for my show on this Sunday at 9/11, 9/12, 9/13. Coffee and comics, because that's what I do. See you guys later. God, I'm spent. Boots. Yep, exactly. Bye.